everybody. We have 2 more days actually to go in Istanbul, and then we'll be leaving for the US. So hopefully whatever coverage I'll provide you guys would like, and I tried to keep it as candid as possible. There were some personal moments that obviously I have to take out, otherwise I'm trying to share as much as possible. And we'll just continue to keep the coverage going until we reach back United States, and then there will be some bits and pieces that I have to decide whether they bring value or not. So hopefully you liked the coverage. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon and wait for the next trip. Take care. Okay, so I ordered clay pot chicken. This is the rest of the plate with side order, and he's bringing the chicken right now like that, freshly made. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, nice. Wow, it's sizzling. That's enough. Thank you. The baklava with ice cream. 3rd day in a row. Fourth day?
Yes.
Okay. It's just so good. Alright, entering Grand Bazaar. We're just gonna go for a quick walk. It's already evening time. So hopefully, we can just get by and see if we can get something. Like souvenirs and things like that. Well, let's just see. So this is the famous Grand Bazaar of Istanbul. Finally some indoor stuff. You got, it's a great place to buy some souvenirs, and don't be fooled by all these brand names because most of them are bootlegged. But you do find some real stuff too in between. You could. So hopefully, let's see if we can find something of note. I've already bought some souvenirs, so I don't know if I want anything. It's just if something just catches my eye, I may go for it. So it's a big, huge old bazaar. So going back, getting out of Grand Bazaar right now. It's really cold even then. It's quite packed at this time of the weekday. That is the fascinating part. I just hope my navigation doesn't really take me off again. Google is just not your friend. Over here at least. Just keeps getting confused most of the times. You have to realign again and again. So, but this time it looks it may be fine. So we are heading back from a back route, and we are walking as far as we can. But look at the steep grade of this street. It's just unbelievable. How people work over here, how people commute over here. And on the way back, on the way there, for 2 days we stayed in this area for the first time. Otherwise we stay somewhere out near Bosphorus or other places which have a much wider landscape, as well as not as steep. So on the way there we really felt the pinch of the steep grade, especially the incline. Well, it's interesting. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this too. And then these narrow streets, no matter what, you can see the trucks, the cars, the motorcycles, and not to mention the cars that are parked over here. So these are hotels, apartments. So I mean, this is the old town and has all the attractions. Whether it's the Grand Bazaar, There's the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque, the Topkapi Palace. Everything is in near vicinity, and that's what the attraction is. And that's one thing that I miss in the States. That you can get these fresh squeezed juices anywhere. And it was a great walk in this cold weather, because we've been eating like there's no tomorrow every day of the week. And this walk was much needed, because we didn't feel good in the past for the first few days over here, and all we did was just slept through basically. And that kind of created the need for us to walk around a little bit. And we've been eating baklava each day in the past 4 days with ice cream. It's just unbelievable how great the baklava has been overall in general over here. This is the old town again. Just walk from Grand Bazaar up until here. Gonna stay here one night and then move to Mall of Istanbul area. And that would be a different experience. So hopefully you'll enjoy that too, as well as you must have enjoyed this. And the highlight of this trip is that we tried to keep it as entertaining as possible for both myself and my son. And I'm gonna also share some tips as to how to get the best of the best. Whether it's the hotels, whether it's the upgraded flights and things like that, and how to utilize the points and things that can help. So hopefully you'll all get some value out of this. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon, as I always say. Take care.